Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to spray calcium nitrate for healthier plants. Calcium nitrate is a fantastic fertilizer that helps prevent common issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers, while also strengthening your plant's cell walls. Before we begin, remember to prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. You will also need a clean sprayer, your calcium nitrate product, and fresh water. Now, let's prepare your calcium nitrate solution. For general plant health and prevention, a good starting point is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of calcium nitrate per 1 gallon of water. It is crucial to ensure that all the granules are completely dissolved, creating a clear, uniform solution. Using clean, room temperature water will help the calcium nitrate dissolve more easily and effectively. With your solution ready, it's time for application. The best time to spray is during the early morning or late afternoon, when temperatures are cooler and direct sunlight is less intense. This timing helps prevent any potential leaf burn. Aim to spray the solution evenly across all plant foliage, ensuring thorough coverage. However, be careful not to overspray to the point where the solution drips off the leaves, as this can be wasteful. After spraying, continue to monitor your plants for signs of improvement. For consistent benefits, you can repeat the application every 10 to 14 days or every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your plant's needs. You will soon notice stronger plants, improved fruit quality, and a greater resistance to common deficiencies like blossom end rot. This easy method helps ensure your garden thrives with robust and healthy growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.